Hello, I'm Emmanuel and this is Kitchen Ordinaire. I love playing around in the kitchen, having a good time while putting together simple but delicious meals that don't break the bank. So let's cook dinner together and have some fun! Hello everybody! Today I'm making my version of Cantonese dumplings known as Shumai. So we have the steamer attachment to our big pot, and in are going to go these wonderful pork dumplings. A little bit of non-stick spray on top. Fill it up, we've got some boiling water below, and then let the magic of steam do its magic? Yeah. Alright, so how do we make these guys? Well, we use ground pork as the main ingredient, 1 pound. Traditionally, shu-mai have mushroom in them, but I like to put greens, so I chop up some Brussels sprouts and... okay, here they come again. Put that in there. Put that in there. Okay, that's the Brussels sprouts. And some green onions. You can use the white ends and the green ends of green onions, garlic and ginger, which is shredded into a paste, about a tablespoon. Yeah, as I was saying, the shu-mai traditionally they have black mushroom in there, but well, Curly doesn't really care for mushrooms, so I put cabbage or Brussels sprouts, and then Brussels sprouts is essentially tiny cabbage. So you mix it up, have some fun with it, just mix it all up good. And to portion out, I use a tablespoon. So this one is really full. You're gonna want a little bit less than that, but you portion it out and you roll it out into a rough ball. Just like that. And we're trying to make 24 of them. And you should be able to do that if you make them slightly smaller, because as you see, I'm going to get to 20, 21, 22. The 23rd is really too small. So to put them together, we use the round wonton wrappers. And I'm going to make an O with my index finger and my thumb. The wonton wrapper goes on top, and then the stuffing, the little ball, and you're just trying to make it disappear. It's kind of like when a magician has a handkerchief and he puts a quarter in there and makes it disappear, and out comes a bouquet of flowers or a small bird. Except that here we get a shu-mai. Press it tight, and then you want these pleats on the side. That means it's good. The stuffing and the wonton stick together, so it's not gonna fall apart when it steams up. See, you want those pleats right there. That's a sign you did a good job. Okay, I'm gonna show it one more time. In goes the quarter. We push it down and we make it disappear. Are we gonna get a new car or a puppy? No, we're gonna get a shu-mai, but that's okay. But this one is beautiful. And so, yeah, steam them up. That's right, about 8 minutes. Yes, when you make it nice and tight, they just stick together. It's beautiful. And then, well, let's think about this for a moment. If you make 24 shu-mai, you could give 4 to 6 people. You could give 6 to 4 people. You could give 12 to 2 very hungry people. I top them up with a little bit of hoisin. There it is. Or you could just have 24 all by yourself. Anyway, the possibilities are almost endless. Well, they go up to 24, I suppose. And that's it. Enjoy!